Berkey Royal RB4X2B BPF2 measures 23 inches H and 9.5 inches D, and considering that it is a countertop system, you benefit from its design, as it won't take up much space where you place it. An interesting fact regarding its design is that the upper chamber can nest within the lower chamber to stand at a small 15.25-inch height for a more convenient transport and storage. Considering that it weighs only 8 pounds when it is empty, relocating it whenever you need won't be problematic. Its 304 stainless steel construction adds to its design appeal, while ensuring it won't rust or decay in any way as time passes. Its portable design gives you a run for your money, as it ensures you will benefit from water filtration at home, at work, or anywhere else you go. Performance-wise, since it delivers a maximum of 8 gallons per hour purification rate, if you expand it 10 can hold up to 3.25 gallons of water. It caters to households where 2 to 4 people reside. There are no features worth talking about, however, as it boasts a simplistic design. Just fill it with water from the tap or whatever source you like, and use the dispenser to fill your glass with clean drinking water. Multiple capacity options. There are a total of 5 capacity options that you can pick between depending on the size of your household and hydration habits. These 5 options include a 1.5-gallon model, a 2.25-gallon model, the 3.25-gallon model we are reviewing right now, a 4.5-gallon model, and a 6-gallon model. It can be utilized to cleanse rainwater, tap, well, pond, basically all water regardless of the source. Each set of 2 filters that you acquire for the system provides up to 23,000 liters of purification before the replacement requirement, so that you won't spend too much money on maintenance routine with this portable system. Here are some of the health-threatening contaminants it helps remove from your drinking water. Expandability. The system includes 2 water purification elements, but it allows you to use up to 4 elements. If you choose to do so, you will almost double its filtration rate, as it goes from 4 GPH to 7 GPH. Filtration versatility. In its lower chamber, you can install up to 4 filters suited for fluoride and arsenic reduction. In the superior chamber, you can install a total of 4 ceramic filter elements. This design grants it the possibility to remove a wide range of contaminants. Included with the purchase: upper and lower chamber, spigot, 2 ceramic filter elements, rubber gasket for base protection, 2 washers, 2 blocking plugs, stainless steel lid, 2 wing nuts. There is no need for current, plumbing, or chemicals to make it operational. Just fill it with water, and it will proceed to filter out any contaminants, so that it will dispense clean water. Volatile organic compounds. Fully configured, the Berkey system can serve up to 200 people per day during emergencies. For small to medium-sized households of 2 to 4 people, the Berkey Royal could prove to be the go-to when it comes to water filtration. Reliable and not as demanding as most systems when it comes to upkeep, all that it requires is replacing the filters after every 23,000 liters of water are purified. This feat is made all the more impressive considering that the product is sold for less than $500. Best of all, it does its job at cleaning the impurities from the water, without depleting it of beneficial minerals, so your body continues to receive everything it requires during hydration.